Hello and welcome to Deck Creating. Deck Creating is a module that, as you would guess, you will have to, build the deck from a certain game. The games are Hearthstone, Magic the Gathering, and Pokemon. So, the module looks like this. 3 cards in the middle. Highlight them, the name will come up in the bottom left. The stage number, there are always 30 stages. And a reset button that will, while staying within the same deck and game, will reshuffle the cards and reset you back to stage 1 should you be on a stage that is not stage 1. So, what do we have to do? So, we have to get our values first. So, the first thing we do is, it says this, do we have this unicorn? We do not. It is equal amount of batteries to holders and a lit bulb. We do not. Now we assess indicators. Do we have more unlit than lit, more lit than unlit, or are they equal? Seems here that they are equal. So, we take the column that is the game, this is Hearthstone, and we perform the calculations for the row and column number that will be used in this table. So, battery holders plus the last digit of serial. We have 2 battery holders, plus 1 is 3. So that is row 3. But, up here it says modulo 4 and add 1. So moduloing, say we have a number like, 15. Say we got a number like 15. We can go over into our text field calculator here. If you don't know how to get to this, go onto the repository, under the Tools tab, the text field calculator link. So, moduloing is the remainder after division. If I can type. The easier way of saying it is just subtracting, in this case, 4, until you cannot subtract 4 anymore, without it going negative. So, an easier way to do this in the text field calculator is the big number, percent sign, the number you are moduloing by, and it gives you the answer. But since we have 3, we do not need to modulo by 4. And then add 1, so we add 1 to 3, which is 4. And total indicators times first digit of serial number. We have 2 indicators times 4 is 8. We go over here, 8 modulo 4, 8 modulo 4. Oh my god. 8 modulo 4 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Now we go down here, use the row value we got in this table and the column value. This gives us a number, 14.2. This is for this table. So 14.2 is the column, and the game is the row. This gives us the Face Hunter deck. The decks are down here. There are 4 for each game, and the Exodia Mage, which is the unicorn. So, we find the Face Hunter deck, and this is when we start solving the module. So, we must look through. So I have Sap, Leroy Jenkins, and Vilespine Slayer. Exactly one of these cards will be in the deck. So in this case, we have Leroy Jenkins. We click him, and he comes up. And it shuffles 3 more cards. So this 1 here is how many of him we can add to the deck. But a quirk with this module is I have clicked a single Leroy Jenkins. Therefore, Leroy will never show up again. So now we just do that 30 times. So we have Freezing Trap. We have Eaglehorn Bow, and so on. So I'm going to do this 30 times so I can show you what the solve looks like. A few other interesting things about this module here. Dwarven Sharpshooter. There's a trick with the I believe it's the Hearthstone deck, Cobalt Sand Trooper, where the decks in the Hearthstone are just called blue, red, green, white. I'll show you that trick in a bit, but it has to do with just their colors, as you would probably guess. What is this? Am I blind? I'm very blind. So, like I said, you just do this 30 times. It's not the most thrilling module. It is quite tedious. Unleash the Hounds. So, the reset button, though I don't know why you would use the reset button, because I don't think you'd want to do this module more than once. If you do, though, that reset button is there for your use. What is this? Tracking. Once again, the stage number progresses with each time you click one. Now we'll go up to 17. And this is pretty much the module. Very tedious, very long, but you just get the hang of it, and it's really not that bad. It's just a long interactive. Kill command. So we're almost done here. Is it Face Stalker? It's Face Stalker. And once we reach all 30 stages, the module will finally solve. Is it Arcane Shot? I'm pretty sure it is. So, Concealer. Okay, it's Arcane Shot. So we only have 4 more cards left to press. Deadly Shot. Tracking. Kill command. Deadly Shot. And finally Arcane Shot. So when I press this, the module will solve. It will flip the cards to their back, and the module will solve. And you cannot interact with it anymore. So that's deck creating. I will show you, I'm going to load up a few of them and try and show you the trick with these decks, the Hearthstone deck. So I'm going to load up 5. Please excuse my game not responding. So I'll load up 5. Hopefully I will get a Hearthstone deck. I will determine the deck one more time. I will not go through it again because I think you get the gist of it. But I'll load up 5 deck creatings, and we'll see if we can get a Magic the Gathering deck. Let's see, what do you want from me? Hearthstone. Here we go, Magic the Gathering. So let me just quickly determine the deck. We have more unlit. So we use the more unlit than lit table, which is the top one. Magic the Gathering, alphabetic position of the first letter of the serial number, which is 4. So row 4, mod 4 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Alphabetic position of the last, 23. 23, mod 4. It's 3. So row 1, column 3, 14.2. Magic the Gathering, 14.2 gives us red. So you could always just look at the deck here and just do it the old-fashioned way. But if I had actually done this right, which it seems I haven't, which is hilarious, because there are no red cards here. Let me see, what have I done? 1, 3, 14.2. Let me just check what I've done. Alphabetic position of the first letter, serial number is delta, which is 4. 4 mod 4 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Alphabetic position of the last is 23. 23 mod 3 is 3. I forgot to add 1. So it's actually 2, which is green in this case. So you could go look at the green deck and name out the cards and whatnot, or you can look at these little backgrounds here. So this is green and these are white. So just click through the module and click all of the green cards. I believe 2 of them can show up. Actually, no, 2 of them cannot show up because it's only ever 1 card from the correct deck. So we just do this 30 times. This is why it is nice to get a Magic the Gathering card deck. Anyway, that is deck creating. I hope this tutorial has helped, and thank you for watching.